I'm Pamela, and I am a professional cleaner associated with Amenify. And today I want to share with you on how partnering with Amenify has completely changed my life. So before joining Amenify, I had a very difficult time managing my client scheduling and my work logistics. It was very hard to grow my business. But after joining Amenify, I gained access to a built-in customer base, and Amenify takes care of the scheduling, payment, and customer relations, which that leaves me to focus on what I do best, which is providing top-notch customer service. Also, with Amenify's transparent payment structure, I get paid fairly and on time. What's more is customers who use Amenify expect quality and professionalism, which elevates the whole experience for both parties. My life has significantly improved, and I've even been able to achieve a better